H&K Rolling Mill Engineers Private Limited, through THERMEX Technology, transformed the Indian market by introducing the concept of quenched and self-tempered rebars. India's first high-strength, high-ductility rebar was produced 27 years ago in 1991 at Durgapur Steel Plant of SAIL, using the patented THERMEX quenching and self-tempering technology of HSE Germany. Rolled from the very first bullet, Rajkumar Markan, founder of H&K India, effortlessly showcased India's first Fe 500 rebar with elongation of 18 to 25%, ideal for India's high seismic hazard areas. Today, all construction designs factor in seismic or earthquake activity. But H&K introduced India to rebars specifically suited for seismic zones way back in 1990s through THERMEX QST technology. After Durgapur Steel Plant, Steel Authority of India immediately ordered THERMEX for its Bhilai Steel Plant. Quenched and self-tempered THERMEX rebars satisfied all requirements of civil engineers. They ended the decades-old Indian practice of using cold-twisted deformed or CTD bars or Tor steel. THERMEX is a licensed technology. THERMEX license is issued to every rolling mill with a THERMEX system. These licensees are required to produce rebars as per strict THERMEX norms and are also subject to regular quality audit by THERMEX engineers. The proprietary THERMEX QST system is placed after the last rolling mill stand. On completion of rolling, the bar temperature is around 1000 degrees centigrade. A short, intensive but very precise inline cooling is imparted to the rolled bar. As it passes through the THERMEX cooling pipes, this affects the periphery of the bar only, whereas the core is largely unaffected. The water quenching results in drastic surface temperature drop, resulting in a uniformly hardened periphery with a soft ductile core. On leaving THERMEX pipes, the bars get further cooled in the atmosphere, where a thermal exchange occurs between the core and peripheral martensite. This thermal exchange results in a bar structure consisting of a tempered martensite periphery and a fine-grained ferrite perlite core. Buoyed by the success of Durgapur and Bhilai steel plants, H&K India today has over 260 THERMEX installations to its credit. This makes H&K India the largest supplier of quenching and self-tempering systems in the world. 18 million tons of rebars in India are THERMEX rebars. H&K India has the exclusive and perpetual rights from HSE Germany to sell, market and install THERMEX systems in the entire Indian subcontinent. THERMEX continues to transform the steel industry. Over the years, THERMEX has gone through multiple upgrades. From version 1 THERMEX to today's version 3 THERMEX, suitable for high-speed rolling and slit quenching. H&K has been successfully making in India the German-designed special quadruple, triple and twin slit quenching equipment. Here, a single rebar gets slit into 4, 3 or 2 strands and is effectively quenched in proprietary THERMEX slit quenching pipes. Recently, THERMEX created history by producing grade B500 DWR of international standard ISO 69352 from plain carbon steel. Grade B500 DWR is similar to FE 500S of the Indian standard IS 1786-2008. These are very high ductility rebars, a prerequisite for severe seismic hazard areas, and have a strict codal requirement of minimum 1.25 stress ratio. This is normally achieved by adding expensive alloys like vanadium, a high-cost solution for rebar manufacturers. But THERMEX engineers successfully commissioned all 9 rebar sizes from 8 mm to 40 mm for international grade B500 DWR using plain carbon steel and no expensive alloys in just 5 days. The award-winning German technology is the leading choice for engineers and consultants for government and private projects, for large integrated rolling mills producing 50,000 tons per month to smaller mills producing 5,000 tons per month. THERMEX, making in India since 1985. 18 million tons of Indian rebars. Over 260 project installations. One technology with hundreds of licensees. THERMEX, India's #1 choice.